Email automation in Biscuit. How to do email automation in Biscuit? Let's cover that in this video. Imagine a scenario where you have a user flow where a certain action triggers an email to the user. You might either want to send a one-time email notification or you might want to set up a periodic email notification. So in Biscuit, it's very easy to set it up, and in this demo, I'm going to show you how to do that. For the demonstration purpose, I'm going to take an app called FlickTrack. Now I had created this app for movie tracking. Now imagine I want to set up an automation flow for reminding the user to watch the movies if they have added more than 5 movies at a time. Now this does not seem to be a likely scenario in real world, but imagine if that was the case where you want to remind your users about a certain action, you would need an automated workflow for emails to be sent. So let's go ahead and implement that, and I'm going to type that out as a prompt in this box. Alright, so here's my prompt. I'm saying I want to set up email automation where the app should send the notification to the user if they have more than 5 movies in the watch list. And the message should be something like, looks like you have too many movies to watch. So it's just a fun little notification, but it should be email automation. In the sense, I should be able to send it to multiple users who cross this threshold. Alright, so I'm going to click on enter here. Alright, so it is saying that it's done. Here's what was built. Send watchlist threshold email. Now this sets up a workflow. I'll take you through the workflow. A new workflow that sends a friendly email with the user's current count and a personalized greeting. Another workflow was updated as a consequence of having the first workflow here, and seems like it has done the job. Now I need to test this if the email gets sent or not. So for now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and delete some of the watch list items that are there in my name, and then I'm going to make it cross beyond 5. Okay, so I have cleared up some data. Now my account has only 3 movies. And what should happen now is I should add 3 more movies so that it crosses the threshold of 5, and then I should receive an email notification when the threshold of 5 is crossed. Now, I would actually put one more condition here, which is after a certain period, but for the live demo, I want to do it instantly. The real case would have been if the movies are unwatched for last, 6 months, then you want to send a notification, but we don't have 6 months here, so I'm going to do a live demo for this one. I'm going to keep my email open as well, and we'll quickly test if that works or not. Alright, so let me add some movies here. I'm going to add. We have got 5 movies, so the 6th movie should trigger the email, and let's see if that works or not. So I'm going to call it Sixth Sense. That was a nice movie. Alright, so this user has crossed 5 movies, and there you go. We've got the email, and the email looks pretty well designed. It says your watch list is growing. Looks like you have too many movies to watch. You currently have 6 movies on your watch list. And yeah, that's a FlickTrack team. So basically it's this app sending you reminder emails. Now, this is one way to actually start your email automation. You can do campaigns, you can send reminders to emails, you can set up multiple workflows. Biscuit comes with built-in support for sending emails, and so you don't have to worry about anything, just like I did a single prompt here, and it has already started working. Let me quickly show you how the workflow looks like for this one. So here's a workflow, send watchlist threshold email, and when you click on it, you can see that this is a starting point of the workflow, and it needs user information, and this is the output. So basically sent or not sent. And what it actually does is finds all the watchlist item records, and this is explaining the logic within your app in visualized manner. Biscuit does not let you access the code, so it is aimed at non-technical people, and it's very easy for non-technical people to understand because it's all plain English and natural language. If you want to change anything in that workflow, you can simply chat here and make the changes. And so if you want to change the threshold from 5 to 15, for example, or you want to add another condition, you can simply chat here and see it. So that's email automation in Biscuit. It's built in, it's easy, you just have to prompt it. Try it out, let us know what you think. If you have suggestions, feedback, do let us know. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.